This is the Pub Business window, or the Public Business window. This window will list all of the businesses found within your search area. It will list businesses that are in your chapter as well as businesses that are not in your chapter. The businesses listed in white are not in your chapter, and while the colored businesses are found within your chapter. Okay, this window has a couple of buttons on it. It has our help button, which is what you press in order to get to this particular video help. It also has our filter button, which is where you can define your search area. And then it has our reload or refresh button, which is used to refresh the data on your device. This is also a scrollable window, which means that if the information exceeds the size of the window, you can scroll up and down on this window, and all the businesses are listed in alphabetical order. So let's take a look now at the Layer 8 technology business. So we'll go and we will click on that business, and our business detail window is displayed. This window has several buttons on it. It has our help button. It has the plus button, which allows you to add this business to your contacts database. Simply clicking the add button will add the business to your contact database. An alert comes up telling you that you have successfully added the business to your contacts database. Unfortunately, if the business already existed as a contact in your database, it's going to put it in again. So you can end up putting businesses in your contact database multiple times if you select this button multiple times. It also has a website button on it, which will take you to the business's homepage. Below that, we have our toolbar, which has the add review, and add referral button. If we go to the add review button, add review windows will be displayed. Here you can add a review for a business simply by clicking inside of the comment box and typing in whatever comments you want to make about the business and give them a star rating. The stars are toggles. Clicking on the star causes the star to come on or off. And so, for example, if I click on the third star, then I will now have a 3-star rating. If I click on the third star again, it will toggle off, but the other 2 stars remain on. So if I click on the 5th star, 5-star, click on the 5th star again, 4, and it just works its way down. If I click on the 4 and I have 3, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so let's give these guys a 5.5-star rating. The half star is a toggle as well. It comes on and off. So we got my 5.5-star rating. Now we must press the done button in order for this information to be recorded to our database. So we'll select done, and it has been recorded to our database. And we can validate that by clicking on the review button. And now we'll see a display of all the reviews for this business. And you can see here at the bottom we have our fast service with our 5.5-star rating. And we can cancel this, which basically just closes this window and takes us back to our business detail window. This is our add referral window. From this window you'll be able to generate referrals for businesses. This window has a couple of buttons on it. It has the referral button, which will take you back to your previous window and cancel whatever work you had going on in here. We have the help button, which gives you video help of how to use this window. And we have our done button. And the done button is used to save the work to our database. Okay, let's get started. The first field on this window is the business field. You will enter the business that you wish to generate a referral for. Now if you click into this field, a drop-down window comes up which will give you a listing of all of the businesses in your chapter. Okay, so let's scroll on up to the Layer 8 Technology, and then we will click the Done button, and it will then populate that field with Layer 8 Technology. Okay, below that you will see a toolbar which has two buttons on it. The Contacts button and the Add or Plus button. The Contacts button will allow you to view your contacts database, that's the contact database that's on your mobile device, and select a contact from that database, and we'll populate the information into these fields. So let's go ahead and select the Contacts button, and you'll see our contacts database came up. I'm going to select Bill Anderson. Now, Bill Anderson's information has been copied into our fields. And you'll notice that the phone information and email information did not get populated in here. Now the reason for that is because many times your contacts will have multiple phone numbers and multiple email addresses. So instead of us picking which one you want to put in here, we're giving you the ability to do that. Now you can do that by simply typing in their phone number or clicking on the Contacts button below that field, which will allow you to select the phone number from the contacts database. So let's try that. Let's go for the cell phone, and we'll pick Bill, and we'll see he does have 3 phone numbers. We'll pick his iPhone, which populates in there. Now let's pick another phone for him. Pick Bill again, and let's pick his work number. Now we have 2 phone numbers listed in here for Bill. And now let's pick an email for Bill as well. And we'll pick Bill, and Bill has multiple emails, and we will pick his work email. Okay, so now we have enough information in here to generate a referral for the Layer 8 company from Bill Anderson. Now you can also add a comment. If you click in the comment field, you can put in here information that you would like to pass on to the members at Layer 8 Technology. So now we can click the Done button, and that will generate the referral, and it gives us a message telling us that a referral has been created for the Layer 8 Technology Company. Okay, fantastic. So now we've created a referral. Now what I also want to show you on the referral is the plus or add button. So let's go back here, and we're going to select another referral for the Layer 8 Technology. Now this time the information is not found within our contacts database. Aaron, first name Bill. He doesn't have a business. His cell phone number, we'll just give, we're going to make some numbers up here. And we'll put in an email address. Of course, we're making up information here. Okay, so we have created Bill Aaron to Layer 8 Technology with his contact information. Now, if I click the plus sign, what this is going to do is this is not only going to generate the referral for us, it's also going to add this information to our contacts database. So let's go ahead and click it. As you can see, it tells us successfully added this person to our contacts database and created a referral. Great. And let's go take a look at that. If we go bring up our contacts database, and we will see that we do in fact have Bill Aaron listed here. We have a phone number and an address created for Bill.